Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today, I got a brand new unboxing for you. I already said that, but today I got something for the action cam enthusiast today. Stocking stuffer, and it's this puppy right here, which is the Ulanzi LM18 quick release mini LED light. This is for action, the Osmo Action 3, 4, and 5. It goes with the harness. You're able to use it with the harness. So we're going to see if this is a good stocking stuffer buy for you action cam enthusiasts who just need a little vlogging camera or video camera, when you're doing a little bit, get dust outside or dark in your car, you just want to do a quick video. Hey, this little light should be able to help you. This goes between the prices, it goes between from 1064 to $11.99, depending on what you pick up. Regular price is $15.59. All right, so which is still not a bad price for something that's supposed to be able to illuminate your scene. All right, Ulanzi LM18 mini LED action camera vlogging light, video light, waterproof photography, magnetic field lighting for DJI Osmo, Action 3, 4, and 5, camera cage accessories, and Osmo Pocket 3 for accessories. So basically that's it, guys. It's just a light for your Osmo action cam with the cage. So guys, without further ado, let's get to the eagle eye view. Hey guys, before we get into the eagle eye view, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. How it look, guys. So, let's go ahead and open up. This is gonna be my unboxing knife for the day. Put that up so I won't cut myself. And all right, please never eat this. Never. Got that quality. Okay, we have a USB-A, USB-C, and this is light, guys. It's really light. And small. So this is how it looks, guys. Wow. Okay. So this is how you charge it up right there. So it'll be waterproof. Make sure water resistant. Make sure you put that in so it'll get in there. And the button, you have this right here. You have the quick release there. And let's turn it on. See if it has any juice. So there's no juice. All right, so what we're going to do, oh no, there's no juice. There we go. Okay, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right, so what we're going to do, guys, we're going to go ahead and charge it, and then we're going to go ahead and see how it looks mounted, and then from there we're going to go outside tonight and we're going to use it. Might not be in our order, but we're going to do all those things. Guys, we're going to use the wire came with it first, just to make sure, even though we have a lot of these little wires. We're going to charge it up. All right, let's see. It's taking me a minute to get this in here. There we go. You got to fizzle with it for a little bit. All right, so that's how you know it's charging up. Now you have to fiddle with it a little bit. Just could be the wire, but that's how you know it's charging up. Let's try that one more time. You got to make sure it's in there too, guys. You just can't, you got to make sure you fiddle with it, get it in there. It clicks. So once it clicks, it's on. All right, so that works there. So what we're going to do too, we're going to take this right here. We're going to use this USB-C to USB-C. And yep, and it works. So that's how it looks when it's charging up. You see that red light. If you don't see that red light, then you might have a defective unit if it's not charging up, or it's already fully charged. All right, guys, let's go ahead and see how it connects to the DJI 2 and to see if it works for the DJI 4. It's not really used for the Action 2, but we're going to see if we can use it for the Action 2, if you get what I'm saying. It's really for the Action 3, 4, and 5. I don't know if it's for the Action 6, but they said the Action 6, you can use all of the 5 and all of your accessories for the 4 with the Action 6. So this might work with the Action 6. But because I don't have Action 6, I don't really know. Okay, guys? So, like I said, Action 4, you need these so you can have it on, you know, your selfie stick, but it can fit down there, and it is magnetic like that, so it does fit. But what it's really useful for is the cage. Now, the cage has the side thing. Put the cage back on. Has these side ones right here that you can put on right here. Then we can turn it on. And there you go. So you have your selfie stick, boom, it's right there. Selfie stick is right there. So that's pretty good. Now, as far as the Action 2, meant for the Action 2, but as you can see, it does magnetically pull on there. It's just the clamps are not really clamping right, but you can push it in. So if you have a 2, you want to use this, it can. So we'll put this back on as that goes like that. And then you can put it on the bottom. And it, like I said, it works with the 2, Action 2, but I don't think it's really meant for the 2. But if you have an Action 3, 4, or 5, it should work pretty decently. But see, now you have it like this. So maybe if there was another snap-on top of this, you better put it on, boom, like that, it'll work. But as you can see for the Action 4, it works. So you can use it for the Action 2. Now, I'm not going to say you want to use it for Action 2, because to use it, you know, maybe you have to sit it like underneath and you need the connect piece right here. So it can be, if you just had the Action 2 sitting up on something and you just need some light, it can be used, but it's really meant for the cage for the Action 4, Action 5, and Action 3.
You're trying the little light right now. I think I'm 20 frames per second, 4K, and I have it on night mode. So you can see how it look before we add the light onto it. So this is how it look with the light. All right, guys, so we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and put the light on and see how, does it look better or does it look worse? So you be the judge of that. All right, guys, how do I look? I know it's kind of shadowy right around here, but this is how it looks with me in my car. Okay, so I'm going to turn it up so you can see this is how it looks brighter. You know, and then I turn, the night mode is off. It's in 4K, 30 frames per second. And then I'm going to go ahead and do it one more time. And this is the brightest. So I would say it, until I look at the video, I have to look at it to see how it looks. But I think this will do a good job if you're vlogging at night. You know, it will give you enough light to see. All right, guys, let's get back to the studio and give you my final thoughts. And given the Ulanzi, you know, light that's for DJI 3, 4, and 5 a grade.
Yo, I'm back to give the Ulanzi LM18 quick release mini LED light for your Action 3, 4, and 5, and maybe the 6. I don't know. I don't have the 6, but on the box it does say the 5. So I know it works. It's supposed to work for that, but I do have the Action 4, and it works perfectly with the Action 4 and sparingly with the Action 2. If you watch the video, you know what I mean. I do like it, guys. I think it does what it's supposed to do in a pinch. If you're vlogging, you just need some light to light up a dark scene, and you need some light to, you know, light you up. Not really a dark scene, but light you up so you can get a good vlogging. It's a decent vlogging light, guys. For $11.36 right now on sale. If you get it off sale, it's still about $15, which I don't think that's a bad price either. But it is only for the Osmo Action. So this is not going to work with anything else. I mean, you could use it as a light for anything else. You know, if you get the Osmo Action, you know, clip or the, what is it called? One of the accessories to clip it on. You could probably put it on something else and use it that way, but nobody's going to, I don't think nobody would do that. So I think it's between a C plus and a B minus. Again, I'm not a lighting guy. You know, I know there's some people that could take this light and do some masterful work with it. I'm not that type of person. I'm still learning how to light up stuff and like scenes and how important lighting is, because it's very important. But I'm not at that stage at the moment. So I'll give it a C plus, B minus at $11.36. It is a Pacific stocking stuffer for somebody who is invested in the Osmo Action, DJI Action ecosystem. All right, guys. So I give it a C plus, B minus. All right, guys. Before we go, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and hit all notifications so you can be notified anytime we drop a brand new video. Yet again, guys, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Ted. Thanking you for rocking out with me on another unboxing video. Guys, we got some more unboxings coming soon. So, hey, again, hit the notification icon, bell, whatever it is, so you'll be notified anytime we drop a brand new video. You have a good day. Peace.